Here is a raw, unedited video, no script, no nothing. This is just me speaking to you, okay? If you're feeling like you can't put groceries on the table, especially if you live here in California, if you feel like you're having problems paying your bills, don't know where the next meal is going to come from, you're feeling as if, man, this just sucks. And none of the politicians are listening, and everybody seems to make it look easy on the internet and always wants money to be able to teach you to do something. Well, I don't charge money to teach you. What I'd rather do is kind of give you my experience. So let me kind of put it to you like this. Don't fall in love with material things. Okay, now we all have our little things we want to carry for memories, but what I'm talking about is furniture, appliances. This is stuff that is not a necessary in our lives. We think it is, but it isn't. So here's what I have done. I'm moving out of California. I'm moving out of California next month, so that way I can avoid the tax changes that are occurring in California in 2023. You guys probably think it's ridiculous. What is 2 months, 3 months going to make a difference? I'd rather break my lease, pay the lease penalty, than incur the tax increases we're going to have in California next year. So what do? Well, I'm self-employed. I have a company. I haven't filed a tax return yet on my company. So if I go try to rent a place in Vegas or rent a place in Oregon or wherever we decided to go, we're going to have a tough time finding something, okay? So my wife and I decided, there's my beautiful wife right there, everybody say hello, okay? We decided, you know what, my mom bought a piece of property in Oregon. Let's just go live in a fifth wheel. It's temporary, 6 months, a year, whatever the case may be. And in order to do that, we got to get rid of a bunch of stuff. My wife has already donated probably 3/4 of her stuff already. You just can't be afraid. Grant Cardone says you just cannot be afraid to walk away from material things. You cannot treat material things as if it's an emotional attachment. Those things we're definitely attached to. Give you an example, my wife's kid, his urn with his ashes. That's very important. A lot of stuff that was my wife's mom's. A lot of stuff that was mine from my childhood. Those little things, but those are little things we can pack into one box. So it's just a matter of downsizing your life. So 2023 is going to be huge about downsizing your life and finding out what's really, really important to you. What's really important to you and your family. Because video games, yeah, they entertain you. But at the same time, for the same price of a video game that you could buy at GameStop or online or whatever the case may be, you could put 3 days of groceries on the table. Okay? That big, huge handbag that from Coach or Louis Vuitton or Gucci puts food on the table. So you're going to have to put your hold on things. Things that should be bought and paid for, things that are important, or things that are for family. Okay? So I'm going to make this short. For family is stuff that builds memories with family. So guys go, well, you wouldn't buy an RV right now. Yeah, I'd buy an RV right now. Prices are good. Interest rates are they're decent. They're not great, but they're decent. I'd buy an RV right now. In fact, I just bought a Keystone Cougar 2019 bunkhouse. It builds memories. I'm going to keep it because it's going to be something that's going to be a camping memory. It's going to be something I'm going to build memories with my family in. It's something that is relaxing. It's something that is going to bring joy to the entire family and build morality, build happiness. Okay? I didn't buy any video games because buying a video game is going to... I already have enough video games. I have enough video games to do my retro gaming channel for probably a year. Okay. What's another thing? How about this is a great thing. How about board games? How about something where everybody can sit down like Monopoly? How about like Risk or Axes and Allies or Sorry? Those are things that are going to build a family connection. They're going to build us back together, right? Guys, don't go. Ladies, this is for you. Don't go out and be a sugar baby. Don't go out there and sell your body. There's no need for it. It's just downsizing your life and figuring out how to grow more money, how to make money while you sleep. Okay? Those are the advice for today. That's the raw image. That's what I mean, I'm a worker, man. I work for my money. I'm working to build something. And in order to do that, you have to be willing to walk away. And that's what we're doing. We're walking away from all of our furniture. We're walking away from stuff we've had 7 or 8 years because sometimes it's just time. And we're making it just time.